the historic Cascade Theater. My name is Tammy Korn. I'm with the Bureau of Reclamation from Shasta Dam. It is an amazing structure, and we have spent the last 2 years working on a film to tell the amazing story of Shasta, and we are so excited.
They realized when they were making this, they were making one of the grandest things ever built by human hands. And at that point in time, when it was completed in 1945, when the structure was done, it was the second largest thing ever built by humans.
It's just such an incredible structure, and we really need to celebrate the folks that were able to dream big, design, build, and construct it, and also to be able to document for the future, what it is that we did here and why it plays such an important role in California water, both now and into the future for California.